Who's coming to our house?
Spider-Man did, and Boost and Spider-Man did. Spider-Man bring them way high in the sky.
Did you say he brought them?
He brought Thor, Boost, and Spider-Man brought them. Spider-Man brought Thor, Boost up in the sky.
And what did he bring? What did they bring you?
They bring presents.
Yeah.
And they're going to get another one.
Okay, show me the presents that they brought you.
Okay.
Show them.
I'll get the Boost one and the Steel Tracks team.
Oh, okay. Show me.
Okay, I'll open it and the Steel Tracks team. Here's the Boost one.
Oh, bring it in here. Here.
Spider-Man brought this one.
Okay. Okay, let's see it.
Open right here for you. It's yours.
Okay, open it.
Steel Tracks team.
Oh, boy. Show it to me. Hold it up. Oh, how pretty. What's Ma supposed to do with it?
You're supposed, and you got to open it. And Spider-Man Boost are getting another one.
Okay, when Spider-Man comes in, what's he going to do with his boots?
He doesn't have fucking dirt on him.
He what?
He doesn't have fucking dirt on him.
He doesn't have black dirt on him?
No.
Are you sure?
No, he doesn't.
Well, I think we better check.
No.
Don't you? Maybe he ought to leave his boots on the step.
No, he doesn't have to take them off.
Well, what are you going to tell him when he comes in?
Hey.
Is he here yet?
No, he had to go up in the sky.
Well, when's he coming back?
Because he doesn't have fucking dirt on him.
No, when is he coming back? When?
Because he
When?
doesn't have dirt on, he doesn't have dirt and mud on him.
Okay, but is he here? Is he coming pretty soon?
Yeah, he needs to bring some Spider-Man fruit snacks.
Oh, what are you going to do with the fruit snacks? What's he going to do with those?
Spider-Man needs to bring them.
Oh, for Ma? So Ma can eat them?
Spider-Man's bringing one for you and me.
Oh, for me too?
Yeah, me too.
Oh, how many is he going
Yeah,
to
Spider-Man jumping down.
Is he here?
Yeah.
Oh, tell him to come in.
It's time to come in, Spider-Man. He needs to sit on that step for a while.
Oh, what's he going to do on the step?
He needs to read the Spider-Man first section. And he will come right in.
Where's he going to put the snacks?
He's ready to put one in your pocket.
Oh, okay.
Spider-Man's time to come in.
Okay, tell him to come in.
Come in, Spider-Man. He said yes.
All right. Well, I'm waiting on him.
Coming, there he is.
Oh, boy, there he is. Oh. Well, tell him to come on in. That we've been waiting for him.
We've been waiting for you, Spider-Man. He brought Spider-Man fruit snacks.
Did he?
Here's one for you. And then we'll put one in your pocket.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Spider-Man.
Is he leaving now?
Yeah, he
Oh.
will bring a present.
Okay, tell him to come back.
Come back and bring a present.
Okay.
It's
Oh.
Steel Tracks team in here.
Oh, okay. Here, Blake, wipe your nose. Come here. Ah, on the tissue. Can you blow it? Blow it. Good boy. Okay, other side. Get the germs out. Good boy. We'll send this to Amber. Say bye, Amber.
Bye, Amber.
What else are you going to tell her? Tell her a secret. Bye. Can you tell her a secret? Say I. Real loud.
I love you.
Oh, say bye-bye.